The OPPO Find X8 series just launched, and it's already creating waves in the tech world. This latest release isn't just a smartphone, it's an experience. Nicknamed the oPhone in China, it's a nod to its sleek design and premium aesthetic, which bring to mind the iPhone. But the Find X8 is here to do more than just look good. It's a bold competitor with a blend of resilience, performance, and state-of-the-art features that give it a personality all its own. Let's talk about its amazing camera system, especially the freeze motion feature. We're talking serious photography power. Whatever the action, this camera's got it covered. With freeze motion, the Find X8 captures razor-sharp details, making sure every detail is captured clearly and crisply. The most amazing thing? The new OPPO starts at $599 only. Now, let's jump into the brains behind it all. ColorOS 15, OPPO's newest operating system, built on Android 15, makes the Find X8 a joy to use. ColorOS 15 isn't just an upgrade. It's a whole new experience, designed for speed, intuition, and intelligence. The interface is smooth and responsive, but it's the smart features that really stand out. OPPO has integrated advanced AI functionalities into ColorOS 15, adding convenience and adaptability that feels futuristic. It helps organize your photos, makes battery life smarter, and even gives recommendations on how to maximize your phone's potential. Imagine your phone getting better and smarter over time, like it's growing along with you. The AI doesn't just help with performance, it also personalizes your interactions, so you spend less time searching for settings and more time enjoying the experience. Picture this: seamless multitasking with enhanced gesture navigation, plus a home screen that's tailored to you. You can move through apps like a pro, never missing a beat. ColorOS 15 even learns from your habits, adapting to how you use the phone and giving you quicker access to the apps and functions you love. This operating system doesn't just let you use the phone. It creates a relationship, making it feel like it's an extension of you. But that's not all. And for those who love to customize, ColorOS 15 offers plenty of options to make the phone your own. From custom themes and wallpapers to app layouts, you can truly tailor the Find X8 to fit your personal style and preferences. It's about making the experience feel unique, bringing together OPPO's sleek, premium design with your personal flair. Oh, there you have it. The OPPO Find X8 series is a whole new level of smartphone. From its eye-catching design and iPhone-like charm to its ultra-durable build, action-capturing camera, and fluid, intuitive ColorOS 15 experience. OPPO is setting a new standard in 2024, giving us a phone that's not only smart, but also incredibly fun to use. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a photography buff, or just looking for a phone that can keep up with your busy life, the OPPO Find X8 is worth a look. But OPPO didn't stop there. The Find X8 series has a whole new level of connectivity that makes it a powerhouse of convenience and innovation. One standout feature is Beacon Link.